Hey guys, I'm going to do a garden video, 531. Had a lot of projects going on around here, so I've not got a lot of time to spend in my garden except picking and everything. The corn's finally drying out and it's finally starting to do something. The potatoes, the second batch of potatoes that I planted, and the beans, they're starting to come along. Like I said, this spot all through here was really wet. Strawberries, they're coming. Been getting strawberries off all the time. You can see a couple of red strawberries in there. And they'll just keep getting better. And you know, like I said, I'm having a hard time eating that kale. I just don't care for the taste of it, so I don't know. Swiss chard though, I could eat a bucket full. And so I'm gonna plant a lot more of that. The oregano is starting to really shoot up, as is the rosemary. The tomato plants are growing to the sky. Onions are looking good. Everything's really coming along. I've eaten all my radishes. Sorry about the finger. But like I said, my tomato plants, we're getting blooms on them. There's my Carolina Reaper pepper. Here's some tomato plants that I got to get staked up. I've not done that yet. I got to get these things staked up. Tomatillos. I don't know how big these things get. And I don't know if I'll have any tomatillos, but I really like the plants. I mean, they're nice looking. My mammoth basil, it's really looking great. And then, like I said, I got one over here. Got a little more water on that, so that's not doing as well. And then those tomatoes, all up through there, are just going to the sky. Green onions, I can start peeling them anytime. Broccoli. Now I cut this head, the other day, I can't remember, and look at the little side shoots already. I mean, already back, you know. And I've cut, sorry about the finger again, and I've cut most of my broccoli. I've still got some, you know, there that I've got to harvest. But you know, you'll keep getting these little old side shoots for a long time. So broccoli's a good plant. The cabbage, I'm gonna have a lot of cabbage. My patch of onions, starting to get some good sized onions in there now. I mean, they're really starting to take off as well. Now once again, I gotta get in here and weed everything. I've been so busy. I've kind of neglected my garden. Still looks awful pretty though. Still producing a lot of food, but I have neglected it. My lettuce, plenty of lettuce. Spinach, I need to get in there and do that. And here, look at my potatoes. These 2 rows of potatoes right here. I mean, they're already over knee high. And I've healed them up twice. And they're so lush, so green. I should have plenty of potatoes. I mean, but they have really done well. Come on, cucumbers have exploded in growth the last few days. I mean, been trying to train them up just a little bit here. Yeah, but like I said, they have exploded in growth. There's my old grapevine right there. She's been around a long time, just don't do much, and I don't know what to do to it. Peppers are finally taking off. That's red bell peppers, and they're finally starting to show some growth. Once again, apologize for all the weeds. Been busy. Pole beans coming up the main TP. They're starting to climb it. And my snow peas, I've picked 3 times in the last week and a half, and I got to come out this evening again and pick, and that's not a bad thing. There's a little bit of Swiss chard popping up right there, but that's not a bad thing. I mean, we'll show you on the next one, and we'll get right in here on this one. Look at them. They're just hanging full. I mean, it's just hanging full of snow peas. And you just keep getting them. And they're delicious. I mean, I am not going to complain a bit about coming out and and picking snow peas. Just anywhere you look. And then we'll come up here to this little section. And I'll just pan down there. Isn't that amazing? Just the amount of food you can get in just a small space. And come around here. Got it. That just inspires me. And as you can see, just on and on and on. Come on down, these pepper plants are taking off. Good. These are all bell peppers up here. Beans doing well. I got to come out and replant these last 3 teepees here. I don't know what happened, they just didn't come up or what, but I got to come out and plant them. There goes my neighbors. I don't know if you can see that or not down through there. I live across the road from an Amish farm, and so they're always coming by in their horse and buggies. They're peaceful, you know, good neighbors, and boy, they know how to do everything like that. So I get a little bit intimidated by them, how they farm, but you know, we're trying to do what we do on this side of the road. So, but anyway, snow peas are looking awesome. Beans are looking awesome. I mean, we'll come right on down here. You gotta like it. I don't know if you can tell right way on down there in the background. There goes another horse and buggy. They're in and out all day long. But anyway, good neighbors. And then we'll come around here. Here's a pot of cilantro. Get cilantro all the time and everything. But 531 garden tour. Paths are still good. Get back up here. Very bountiful. Very happy with it. I mean, I feel blessed to have this. I'm going to keep expanding it. Like I said, if I ever slow down on some other projects, we're going to get out here and take care of this. And but right now it's taking care of us, you know. And so it's only fair that I come out here and help it out a little bit. But garden tour 531. Feeling extremely blessed. Like, subscribe, comment. I mean, I do love being out here. And every time I go and pick something and take it in and our family prepares it and eats it, I feel one step closer to independence. I mean, I know it's a small step, but each day, each head of broccoli, each mess of snow peas, you know, the tomatoes and peppers when they come in, the lettuce, each day gives me one step closer to feeling like I'm not going to depend on the gerbil wheel much longer. So anyway, y'all have a great day. Get out there and plant something, build something around your house, do it yourself. I promise you, the real person inside of you starts coming out. It's just we've been buried by all the stuff that's went on all these years. We've been told what to think, we've been told what to say, we've been told what to buy, we've been told that we can't do it any other way. We've got to rely on everyone else, the government, the utility companies, the banks. We got to rely on them, and that's simply not true, guys. So get out there, grow something, start thinking for yourself. I promise you, it makes all the difference in the world. Anyway, love you guys. Thanks for listening to me, and we'll talk to y'all later. See ya.